It's a holder for my GoPro camera, and it's called the Dango Gripper Mount, and I figure I will show it here for you how it works before I mount it onto the helmet and we try it out for real. This is instead of these chin mounts that you see everywhere advertised, and it's a kind of a sturdy clip that you put on front of your helmet, and it mounts your GoPro camera into this part over here. It's actually much more sturdy than I thought it would be, and it should sit really firmly in a relatively high speed. Now it comes with a regular GoPro holder or an action mount camera holder. I think it's compatible with most action cameras, but here's my GoPro, and all you need to do is to screw it on like this, and here you are. So this is my GoPro 9. So on the helmet, how does it fit? Well, it should sit right here. Now, depending on the helmet you have, you're gonna have it's like a wind protection thing. It goes on like this. As you can see, yeah, it sits really firmly here. Now the big question is if it takes up any of the room in front of your nose. And as far as I can see, it really doesn't. It's very slim on the inside here. And then once you are done with it, you just take it off like this. It does leave some marks here on the inside of the helmet, but it's not much to talk about, I think. But anyway, you see that there's actually a cutout here in front of your mouth. It gives a little bit of space, and that's where it blocks a bit. On this Arai Chaser, you can still regulate the air inflow, and it's going to be sitting right there. So on the Arai Chaser, it works fine. This is my Bell helmet, the Moto-3, and here it's a little bit better fitted for this, because here you can see that it really grabs on with the curvature of this one inside there onto the front peak, and it also goes in better here in the rear. Benefit with this one is that it doesn't have any soft things here, so there's nothing that can be damaged, and it sits really sturdy on this helmet in particular. So maybe you want to check on your own helmet, or go into a store somewhere and check if it fits your helmet, but it fits both my helmets really nicely. Well, that's all for this time. I'm gonna try it out now, and I'll get back to you with some video footage on how well this one performs. Cheers, guys!